I recently watched the movie A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood. A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood is an American drama movie directed by Marielle Hiller, written by Michael Fitzgerald and Noah Harpster, starring Tom Hanks, Matthew Rhys, Susan Cletch Watson. This movie is inspired by 1998 article Can You Say Hero by Tom Zuned. This movie focuses on Lloyd Vogel, who is a journalist assigned to interview Fred Rogers and write an article for the magazine Esquire. Fred Rogers is a creator and host of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood show, who is loved by both kids and adults, and is considered to be a living saint by the people. How an interview with Rogers changed the life of Vogel, how the philosophy of Rogers flips his life upside down, how the view of Vogel towards people changed after encounter with Rogers is the whole premise of this movie. So with no further ado, let's get right into the review. Direction. This movie certainly has a unique style of direction. The director used a different aspect ratios in many scenes to differentiate between the Rogers show and incident happening in real life. The whole movie is an episode in Rogers show. So many scenes are shot in that way. Airports, bridges and cities are shown in miniature. Cast. This movie consists of veteran actors who has done a very commendable job. Matthew Rhys, a journalist who is lacking enthusiasm in his job and who has no affection toward his father, has portrayed his role beautifully. But the star of this movie is Tom Hanks as Fred Rogers. Hanks has portrayed his role with an ease. The dialogue's delivery, the small pauses he takes during conversation makes his performance more admirable. In each scene he features, he has that charisma to make you feel more connected to him. He has portrayed the character so wonderfully that we fall in love with his character. Slow pace. This movie is too slow, even though the narration is good, but it is too slow and many people may find it boring. But I think you should definitely check it out. I am sure that this movie will bring a smile at your face in the end. Misplaced scene. In this movie, there is one particular scene in which Lloyd Vogel becomes a character in Rogers' show and it talks with other puppets character in the show. This scene makes you wonder what is happening, except that scene the movie is good. Many people consider this is a biography drama of Fred Rogers, but I don't think so, because in this movie the main focus is not only on Fred Rogers but at Lloyd Vogel and their encounter and how it changed the life of Vogel. And if you want to watch the biography of Fred Rogers, there is a very good documentary, Won't You Be My Neighbor? You will definitely love it. People who love drama movies are definitely going to love this movie and I will highly recommend it to them. So let me know what you think about this movie in the comment section, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.